It's movie night, and of course, you would like to prepare something sweet for everybody to enjoy while watching the movie. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with Rocky Road Shortbread Bars. So let's get started. Let's make the shortbread. Set your timer for 25 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Time to prepare the filling. Let's build the dessert bars. Rocky Road is believed to have originated in Australia in 1853, where it was traditionally made with milk chocolate, marshmallows, coconut, and nuts. Rocky Road ice cream was developed in California in 1929. Looks great right out of the refrigerator. These Rocky Road Shortbread Bars look amazing. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, everybody's a mini adventure. Every bite features velvety rich chocolate, crunchy bits of shortbread, and pillowy airy marshmallows. These Rocky Road Shortbread Bars are perfect for movie night, a midday escape, or a special dessert moment. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like this dessert was a hit. Stay with us. Watch the next video.